Today we are taking a look at the ultrasonic pet collar compatible with the MS4 and the MS5 by PETZEE. The brand did send this over to me so I could show you exactly what comes inside and everything else you need to know. So right off the bat, it is not compatible with all dog doors. It's compatible with these right here. There's also more specifics in the listing itself. So let's take a closer look right over here. So this is the side right over here. So it has transmission, works for all cats, works for all dogs. This is the actual collar itself right over here, which is nice. So this is adjustable right over here. So you'll see you have the strap right over here. It's just going to click in just like that. This side is going to be on your dog or your pet, and this side will be facing out. Again, this is adjustable. This is waterproof. You don't have to worry about if it's raining, whether it will work or not. It will. This is where the battery is. It does come with a battery as well. Literally just twist this open. You could use a coin. It does come with this battery right over here. It comes wrapped. So what you're going to do is you're going to put that in there. Put this back just at like this, and then you're going to get a coin or something. I was using this right over here. And you're just going to twist it just like that. And once it's tight, we're good to go. Really, really nice, easy to use as well, which is great. And then just something to note right over here. This comes on it. It says the green light will only last 10 seconds once activated, and this is going to be to save energy. Super easy. Also get this really easy to use instruction manual that walks you through everything you need to know. So if you're looking for a great ultrasonic pet collar, definitely check this one out.